Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best welding rods you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the welding rods in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Alumiloy welding rods. It takes a few minutes to heat the aluminum to the proper temp. Once there the product works great. Let it cool slowly and fully. These are absolutely unbelievable item, and cannot believe how easy this makes welding and joining together two metals. All you need is a powerful butane torch to heat up the two pieces you want to weld together, and once you get those two pieces hot enough, then you just touch the area that you wasn't to weld and to stick together, and once you get this stuff to work correctly you're going to be amazed at how strong of a weld it is. With rods twice as long as the competition, Alumiloy repairs or fabricates virtually anything made of aluminum, pot metal, or galvanized steel. Use something as simple as a propane torch on up. No flux needed. You can repair boats, props, storm doors, gutters, antiques, tools, condensers, molds, rims, air conditioning lines, refrigeration coils, bell housing, pontoons, transmission cases, and so much more. Alumiloy melts at 728 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the ability to repair the thinnest to the thickest metals without worrying about warpage or distortion. Alumiloy even repairs pot metal, one of the most difficult non-ferrous metals in the world to repair. Alumiloy is an environmentally friendly product, giving you the ability to repair more and throw out less, saving money and the planet at the same time. For details, let's watch more. Our second best welding rods is 4303001E6013 welding rod. Thin mild steel tubing is structurally solid, cheap but some of the most frustrating material to weld. With 060 wall thickness tube, it's almost impossible not to blow through the workpiece. I found these rods to be the most forgiving in this aspect, while still fully penetrating. I can also make significantly longer welds without allowing the piece to cool. The product is pound 3 by 326013 weld rod. All position welding, general purpose rod for shallow penetration or in poor fit up conditions. Excellent wetting action, yielding smooth and flat beads with steady arc with either AC or DC. Low spatter and excellent slag removal, virtually self-cleaning and vertical down fillets. Use on all types of mild steel where ease of operation and good appearance is required in all positions, ideal for vertical down welding. Use for all types of mild steel fabrication. Easy to use. Third pick in our list is simple welding rods. The rods performed as advertised as long as the included instructions are followed. These rods are non-flux coated so your surface needs to be free of impurities. And heat control is important. I tried them on aluminum refrigerant lines and they worked great. I am going to buy more when my supply gets low. Much lower working temperature than the vast majority of comparable products, that is 728 degrees Fahrenheit or 387 degrees Celsius, lets you repair and fabricate a far greater range of aluminum and other non-ferrous metal parts. It's never been easier. No need for expensive training or equipment, provides you the ability to use this easily whether you're a novice or a pro easily. Works with aluminum, aluminum alloy, die cast, bronze, nickel, titanium, zinc, copper, brass, and most non-ferrous non-magnetic metals, Lets you apply quickly and easily with any handheld torch. Oxyacetylene, MAP/Pro or propane like the best metalwork enthusiasts do. USA made simple welding rods from Simple Solution now is for every metalwork enthusiast who needs to repair or fabricate non-ferrous metal, but can't find a simple solution. Number 4 in our side is AlexLink Copper Aluminum Welding Rods. Bond is pretty strong and the material itself is harder than either aluminum and copper. Seem to have no trouble melting it before aluminum start to melt. Copper side is heated to a dull red before it will melt the brazing rod. Use this to fill a hole. Worked with a small propane torch on 1x16 square tube stock. This is good on little repairs. I don't know if it will work on anything bigger. Very good. I tried welding iron and aluminum and stainless steel. It was 700 degrees Celsius and the hardness was close to that of aluminum alloy. Of course it couldn't compare to the hardness of steel, but this is a good alternative. There is no need to use other flux powder with aluminum alloy as the welding core and coating as the salt base. This low temperature copper aluminum welding rod is made of premium non-toxic, odorless and durable copper and aluminum. Designed with full and smooth welding effect because the item comes with internal powder, great weldability and corrosion resistance, high thermal conductivity, high electric conductivity and excellent processing performance. Better than normal aluminum welding rod. Include welding filler wire and spray and flame metallizing wire. It also used for argon arc welding and filling material for pure aluminum, connection with aluminum bus and guide rod of electrolytic aluminum plant and electric power, chemistry and so on. Last in our best welding rods list is 43068-1E7018 welding rod. These 7018 AC rods run really well. The slag will scorpion tail off your weld with a fresh rod out of the box so you know the seal is good. I welded a piece of A400 to a slab of A36 and did not get any hydrogen cracking. They do prefer the high end of the amperage range for a clean strike, but that's pretty typical for a 7018. Two wonderful things really surprised me about these rods. Number 1 is that they flow and penetrate beautifully even at 90 amps on the little welder, and number 2 is that restricting is very easy, that almost unheard of on 7018s. I'd recommend this rod without the slightest hesitation. Excellent bead contour, light spatter and slag is often self-cleaning. Excellent for tack and skip welds, offers easy restriking, ideal for out-of-position welding.